when you close below the Kijun. That's your normal strategy for a TK cross. If you're buying a TK cross or you're buying a Chicago breakout, that's how you would do it, is you close it every time it closes below the Tenkan, you take a portion of your position off and you close the position when it closes below the Kijun, right? And for the Kumo break strategy, remember that we take profits when it closes below the Kijun. Every time it closes below the Kijun, we take profits. And the final position, you close when it closes below the Kumo. That's the Kumo break strategy, right? So in this case, your Kumo, if you had done the Kumo break strategy for Praj IND, here's it's coming back up, but the Chicago is congested. So assuming the Chicago breakout and the Kumo break in this case probably would have been, or here, this one, once the Chicago breakout here, you're above the Kumo now, Chicago's free, you could have been here, got rid of some position. Well, actually not, because you don't have any profit. So your initial stop loss is still below the Kumo. You continue to hold, and you're going up here now. You continue to hold. You close below the Kijun, you take some profits off right there. You continue to hold the remaining position, and you take some more profits right there because it closed below the Kijun. And you continue to hold the remaining 3 parts of your whole position. So you got in back in sometime when it was around 80, let's say. You took some profits at 113, you took some profits near 155, and you're continuing to hold around 230. So, but as I keep saying, the Kumo strategy, the Kumo break is a patience strategy. You got to have patience for the Kumo strategy to work. It's not for everybody, but you can always dedicate some portion of your portfolio for this Kumo break strategy, right? Maybe just buy like 100 shares or even 50 shares and just let it ride. It's a very long-term strategy, unlike the Chicago breakout or the TK cross strategy. So, all right. So this one we are holding the 5th unit. You continue to hold. No closing below the Kijun. If you're not, you can always close it. Close the 5th unit if you're not comfortable with the distance you're to the Kijun. You're not willing to let go of the profits. Then you can always close it. All right. Subex, we are still holding the last unit on this guy. Tried to rally on Friday, came back down. Notice the rounding bottom here, breakout, rounding bottom here, breakout. Could be doing another rounding bottom and breaking out. So again, could you have sold it up here, the last unit, because you didn't like the distance to the Kijun, flat Kijun, which we know has a very good chance of attracting prices? Yes, you could have always done that. But again, we are trying to see how high it goes for the last position. So last unit of that position. So we'll continue to hold the 5th position on this one.